Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the case study token. Using the case study module, you can create these customizable pages of information, which the token allows you to drop into any web page on your site. This automatically builds a nice framework for your page with all of the information intact. Showing some of the features here, we have various fields for text, images, and an image slideshow at the bottom. Let's go take a look at how we set this all up. To add the token to the page, we're going to head into Modules, the Basic System, Page Manager, from where we will select our page. If we scroll down to the content, the token is located right here on the page. Dropping this token here is all it takes to build our page. To add a token to any page, simply click on the menu to the left and select the Case Studies token. Clicking here will automatically drop the token into your page. The great thing about the token system is that there is no coding required. Using tokens allows you to easily control page information so that any changes made to the module are immediately reflected on the page. This makes site management easy and efficient. That about wraps up our look at the case study token. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this and our many other great products, you can visit us online at OrderMaxx.com.